they're doing.
No, I don't care. All right. Nice little shot of my bum. My girlfriend and I just got to our campsite. And now we're starting to set up our bed. It's a little chilly out. Oh yeah. I got a truck. The last video you guys watched, you saw me with a Volkswagen station wagon. I have a truck now with a canopy and yeah, so. I've never slept in my vehicle before, overnight camping, so. We've got our toilet paper here in case we need to go shit in the middle of the night. Because there's no toilet paper in the washrooms. There's also this little light here. Okay. This. All the sleeping bag stuff we can put up there too. I think I should take my shoes off. Holy smokes, did you rip it?
Yes, I'm
What
sorry.
the heck?
Oh, I'll buy you a new one.
Here, pass it.
Don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad, I don't care. Bruh, these pillows have ink on them. It's actually starting to get a little chilly. We're getting ready to chop up some firewood.
Oh.
I got bagged shit. I'm not chopping down any trees. This is the truck, by the way. A Ford. It's a cute little guy. Wonder if it's them leaving. There's a little path from our campsite here. It's like a little hiking path. Goes along the water, even though it's ice right now. Oh yeah, it does. We got some other people on the ice. There's my truck. Right there. And this is where we are. Going for a quick little walk. Sun's starting to set. It is 3:48. We just got back from our walk and our dinner is grilled cheese and soup. So we're making the grilled cheese right now. No! Jeez! I gotta get that off too, it's burning. I can scrape some of that off. You don't gotta do nothing. Our plan is to make breakfast inside the back of the truck in the morning. We'll try our best. If it doesn't work, then we just come outside. But I really, really, really want to make it inside the truck. So. We pretty much got everything cleaned up. Some stuff in the back of the truck, and I have my buddy heater going right now actually. Just on low. I've also got a carbon monoxide detector, and the window's cracked. So we're not in there right now, but obviously I just want to warm it up before we get ready to call it a night. Got the buddy heater going again. Getting ready for bed.
Thank you.
And this is what we're working with. Just a bunch of blankets.
Tell me how much.
Bruh.
Oh. Making pancakes. Mixing that egg in there real nice. What a view. Come here. Can you see? Can you see? There we go. 21 degrees inside the truck right now. We are cooking. We got our pancake and raspberry here. This looks amazing. Yep. Holy shit. We started cleaning up. The wind picked up like crazy. But yeah, we're starting to pack everything up and then we're gonna head out. There's some whiskey jacks and I got some trail mix peanuts on my hand. Let's see if one will land on my hand. Pretty cool, eh? I know I'm technically not really supposed to be doing this, but I'm being generous and these birds are hungry. Okay, hi. We got everything packed up. We're gonna hit the washroom before we head out, and that's pretty much it. After I get back, I've just got to clean out the back of the truck, and yeah. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.